Number 1. 1979 Dodge Ram Adventure SE 150, $3,500, Tucson, Arizona. Here's a cool piece of late 70s Dodge history, the 1979 Dodge Ram Adventure SE 150. This two-wheel drive pickup is in great shape for its age and runs strong, though it could use a carburetor tune-up. It's received plenty of fresh maintenance, including a new distributor, spark plugs, wiring, fuel pump, and a recent oil change. With just over 83,000 miles and a clean title, this is a clean survivor that's ready for a light project or weekend cruising. Number 2. 1978 Ford F-250 LARIAT pickup, 3-Field, Minnesota. A true heavy-duty classic from the late 70s, this 1978 Ford F-250 LARIAT still wears its green paint proudly. The truck hasn't been on the road for a while and will need some attention to the body, engine, and brakes. But under that patina is a solid base for anyone wanting to bring a tough old LARIAT back to life. Clean title and 8-cylinder power make this a great old-school restoration project. Number 3. 1975 GMC C60 Cabover, $3,500, Irvine, California. Here's something you don't see every day, a 1975 GMC C60 Cabover box truck. Powered by a 454 V8 with a new carburetor and clutch setup, this beast runs and moves but still needs brake work before hitting the road. With its 20-foot box, tubeless wheels, and vintage cabover styling, it's a rare find for enthusiasts who love classic work trucks, sold with a bill of sale only. Number 4. 1968 GMC 2500 Custom, $19,800, Redlands, California. Now this is a gem, a 100% original 1968 GMC 2500 Custom. With a factory 396 big block and automatic transmission, this long bed truck is rust-free and runs beautifully. It's a one-owner California truck with just 81,000 original miles, clean title, and upgraded interior. Perfect for collectors who appreciate originality and classic American muscle in truck form. Number 5. 1937 Chevrolet truck, $9,500, Tempe, Arizona. A real pre-war beauty. This 1937 Chevrolet 2-ton truck has a freshly rebuilt engine and brakes, plus only 323 miles since the rebuild. It even features AC, quite the luxury for a truck this old. The owner also includes the original bed. Whether you're into vintage farm trucks or show restorations, this Chevy delivers timeless 1930s style with modern touches. Number 6. 1970 Ford F-350 flatbed dually, $9,500, Philipsburg, Montana. If you're into tough old workhorses, this 1970 Ford F-350 flatbed dually is a winner. It's been in one family since the 1970s and still runs great. Powered by a V8 with manual transmission, this truck has been used for real work, hauling water and firewood, but it's been very well maintained. New clutch, tires, and even a reupholstered seat make it ready for both hauling and nostalgia. Number 7, 1967 Chevrolet Suburban, $8,000, Mesa, Arizona. This 1967 Suburban is a cool vintage SUV project, waiting for its next life. It has a clean title and a clean interior, but currently has no engine or transmission installed. The body looks solid and the original seats are included. A perfect blank canvas for someone wanting to build a retro cruiser or off-road adventure rig with their choice of powertrain. Number 8, 1970 Ford F100 Sport Custom Short Bed 4x4, $10,000, Dallas, Texas. A gorgeous short bed 4x4 that embodies everything we love about classic Fords. This 1970 F100 Sport Custom is in excellent condition, with 77,000 miles and a clean title. The red paint pops, and the truck's manual transmission and four-wheel drive setup make it a fun driver, a well-sorted classic that's ready to show off or take on the trails. Number 9, 1970 Subaru 360 truck, $6,500, Puyallup, Washington. Now here's something truly unique, the tiny 1970 Subaru 360 truck. This little micro truck has only 11,000 miles and features fresh paint and upholstery. It's been in storage and still has a good engine, though the brakes are locked up from sitting. A super rare piece of Japanese automotive history that's bound to turn heads at any car show. Number 10, 1996 Dodge Dakota Extended Cab, $950, Truckee, California. If you're after an affordable classic pickup, this 1996 Dodge Dakota Extended Cab could be your next project. It's been sitting for a few years but has a strong body and just over 101,000 miles. The engine runs with good compression, though it needs a new fuel pump. Comes with extra wheels and tires, a bed liner, and a towing hitch. A great find for a light restoration on a budget. Number 11, 1986 GMC 2500 4x4, $9,800, Surrey, British Columbia. This 1986 G2500 4x4 is a solid local truck that's been upgraded in all the right ways. featuring a rebuilt 454 engine bored 30 over, Holley carburetor, Edelbrock intake, and RV cam. It's built for power. The 4-speed transmission, new clutch, brakes, and original paint make it a strong performer and a clean survivor from the golden age of square-body trucks. Number 12, 1966 Dodge D100 Utiline, $15,000, Wichita, Kansas. A sharp and simple classic pickup, the 1966 Dodge D100 Utiline. Powered by a 350 engine with a 700 R4 transmission, this truck runs and drives great. Power steering and power brakes make it an easy driver. Clean paint, straight body, and old-school charm make it one of the nicest classic Dodges you'll find on the road today. Number 13, 1973 Jeep J4000 Gladiator, $15,000, Coos Bay, Oregon. Here's a real treasure with family history. A 1973 Jeep J4000 Gladiator 4x4. This truck has been with the same family since new, featuring a 360 V8 engine bored 30 over, 4-speed manual with granny gear, and a 2-inch lift. It's had plenty of updates, from LED lights to a new radiator and clutch. Almost rust-free and ready for adventure, this Jeep is an American classic that deserves a loving new owner.